In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who unsubscribed from your Beehiiv newsletter in under 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned newsletter creator or just starting out, keeping track of subscribers is vital for maintaining engagement and growth. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to visit the Beehiiv website. Open your web browser and navigate to Beehiiv's homepage. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. If you've yet to log in, simply look for the login button on the top right corner of the page and click on it. Next, a prompt will appear giving you different options to sign in. For ease and convenience, we're going to sign in using Google. Click on the Sign In with Google button. If you're already logged into your Google account on your browser, this step will be almost instantaneous. Otherwise, just enter your Google email and password and you're good to go. Once you're in, locate the segmentation tab. This is crucial because it's where we'll create a new segment to identify those who have unsubscribed. Click on segmentation and you'll be redirected to a new page where all your segments are displayed. Now find the create segment button and click it. Here comes the fun part, adding a name for the new segment. Choose a name that's easy to remember and reflects the purpose of the segment, such as unsubscribed users. This will make it much easier for you to find and reference later. After naming your segment, select the static option. This choice ensures that you have a definitive list that doesn't change unless you manually update it. Once you've done that, move to the Define Conditions section. Click on it and you'll be able to specify exactly what you're looking for. In defining the conditions, look for the plus condition button and give it a click. This is where you'll set the specific criteria for your segment. Click Attribute and then go to the Select Attribute drop-down menu. With that drop-down open, click on Status. It's important to focus on the status of your subscribers to capture those who've opted out. Now you should see an option to select status on the right side of your screen. Click on it and select Inactive. This selection denotes those who've unsubscribed. Finally, wrap things up by saving your segment. Click on Save Segment at the bottom of the screen, and there you have it. Just like that, you've created a segment for unsubscribed users in Beehiiv. Now you can monitor and analyze this information to better understand and cater to your audience. Thanks for tuning in and happy newsletter managing.